Kumban Rakhe ka Jingdap khandai phawai Snem ka Indian Airforce Eastern Air Command Shillong ka Indian Airforce mynta ka sngi ka arpho tarik risaw hajar arpho lai ka pynlong ya ka air show hapung umiam kani ka Jingpyni nami ki Liengsuiñ kiba khlaiñ bor ka dei ka sien ka nyngkong ka badon ka jingthmu ru ban khring ki samla na Meghalaya bat ki samla ka thaiñ shatei lam mihngi.
towards motivating Shillong Northeast to come and join Indian Armed Forces, Defence Forces. That is our basic aim. That's why we, and to also make public aware about the might of the Indian Air Force. So that it was all about. The sarangs are also they fly ALH, and which is also our indigenously built aircraft. And you all will be proud to know that our team, the Sarang helicopter display team, is the only 5 helicopter military display team in this entire world.
You can see the hills around you. There are 3 challenges actually. One, of course, is the weather, which you saw, and it tends to be temperamental. The name of the state is Meghalaya, so Megh to hote hi hai. Right. But alongside with that, the elevation also makes it a little difficult on the performance of these aircraft. So they have to modify their profiles suitably, and then they have to operate in a somewhat tight zone. So that adds to the changes that they have to make to their profiles to make. But you saw them. It didn't look like they had any challenges, did they? They enjoyed it also. Has done fly past earlier also. But yes, over Shillong, possibly the first time. We find that Meghalaya has a lot of youth who are very interested in the services and the Air Force especially. We see them when they come to our museum and the like. And I hope that shows like this will motivate them even further to come across and join. Yes.